Managing alert templates to match your organization's needs is easy and fast in Alertable. Alert templates help you send faster, more consistent alerts during an emergency. Instead of writing messages from scratch every time, you can use pre-built templates that are ready to go. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create an entirely new template and submit it for approval. Modify an existing template. Approve new and modified templates, and finally, delete a template. Let's get started. There are two primary types of users in Alertable for your organization: basic users and admin users. In this video, we'll go through both roles for managing templates. Let's start with the process for creating a new template, which is similar for basic and admin users with small differences. I'll start with the basic user's perspective using the blue practice area in Alertable, but the steps are the same in the red live environment. Click on Alert HQ. Then click on New Alert. To create a new template from scratch, select New Template from the drop-down. This will open a blank template where you can enter all the required details. For this example, I want to create a new template for a wildfire advisory alert. Let's start with the level of the alert. I'll select Advisory from the drop-down. Next, I'll select the language. If your organization sends alerts in both English and French, you can select both. For now, I'll just keep it in English. Now, enter the event name, which you can think of as a short title for your alert. I'll enter Wildfire Advisory Alert, so it's clear and easy to understand. Next is the headline. This should be clear and direct. For this example, I'll enter PZ Wildfire Alert for a location. As you can see, I've included the sender organization name, PZ, so recipients know where the alert is coming from. You can use your organization's official name here. I've also added location in square brackets. This allows you to update the location later when creating the alert based on the situation. Now, the description. This is where you provide more details about the situation. For this example, I'll enter the common language that I want to use in the future for any wildfire advisory. Then, the instructions. Here you can add guidance for recipients, usually in bullet points. For example, if you are not in the area, avoid the area. I'll enter the common instructions for a wildfire advisory. It's a good idea to list a comprehensive set of instructions. I can always remove some that are not relevant to the situation at hand when I use the template in the future. Once you've filled in all the details, take a moment to review everything. When you're ready, click on Save Template in the bottom right, and then click on Submit. Give your template a unique name so it's easy to find later. For this example, I'll keep Wildfire Advisory Alert. Then click Submit for review. You will get a confirmation message. This will send the template for approval. At this stage, the template is not yet available for you or others to use in the future. Your admin will need to review and approve it before it becomes available for everyone to use, including yourself. Once templates are approved, basic and admin users can modify them to match changing needs and submit them again for approval. Let me show you how from the basic user's perspective by modifying the new template we just created, which is now approved. In the New Alert section, find the template Wildfire Advisory Alert and select it. Let's say I want to modify the headline to include the word advisory for better clarity. Next, I want to add another instruction. For more information, contact 555 555 5555. Once you've made your changes, take a moment to review everything. When you're ready, click on Save Template in the bottom right and click Submit just as you did when creating a new template. You have the option to update the template name or keep it the same. Click Submit for review. This will send the updated template for approval. That's how easy it is for a basic user to create a new template and modify existing ones. An admin user follows these same steps, but doesn't submit the template for approval. They just save it since they have admin privileges. This is a good segue to the admin user role. Let's show how an admin user approves templates. In Alertable, click on Alert HQ. Once you're in Alert HQ, click on New Alert. In the Templates section, scroll down to find templates marked as Pending Approval. All templates with this label have been submitted for approval. Find the template Wildfire Advisory Alert with the pending approval status. This is the template we just modified and submitted for approval. Select this template. As an admin user, you can review all the details and accept them as is or make any necessary changes. Once you've reviewed everything and made changes if needed, click on Save Template at the bottom and select Save. A template name window will appear. Review the name, and if you're happy with that name, click Save. This saves the template and makes it available to everyone in your organization. You'll see a confirmation message, Template updated. An admin user can also delete any templates when they are no longer needed. Let me show you how. An admin user can also delete any templates when they are no longer needed. Let's delete the template Wildfire Advisory Alert. Click on New Alert and then the template dropdown. Find Wildfire Advisory Alert in the list and select it. At the bottom of the screen, click the Save Template button. If you no longer need this template, select Delete. You'll be asked to confirm. Click Delete again to remove the template from your organization. This template will no longer be available for users when creating alerts. And that's it. You've now learned how to create, modify, and delete alert templates in Alertable, including the review and approval processes. Using templates helps your team send alerts faster and keeps your messaging consistent across your organization. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the Alertable customer service team. Thanks for watching.